जी, namaste, good morning. Namaste, Gopal Bhaiya. Namaste, all the dear correspondents. Welcome to the morning session.
नमस्ते भैया
जी भैया, नमस्ते.
जी नमस्ते एवरीवन welcome in this morning session. So we are practicing observing body by the self. So in this exercise 2 we are observing our body. In exercise 1 we are observing ourselves. So in continuation of the exercise 1, now we are observing body. So observing means seeing the body as it is, seeing the sensation as it is. So whatever activities are going on in the body, we are seeing as it is. So in step 1, we have seen that the self and body are two distinct realities. In step 2, we have seen that there is a exchange of information between me and the body. So no physiochemical things is being exchanged between me and the body. I am giving instruction, this is information. I am reading sensation, this sensation is also an information. In step 3, we are seeing who is taking decision. So I am taking decision. I am instructing body. Body is just following the instruction. And in step 4, we are asking, am I the sensation? Am I in the sensation? Or am I separate from the sensation? So this is what we discussed so far. So let's take few sharings on the assignment. The assignments are simple but powerful. So assignments are helping us to see ourselves, to see the body in depth. So we can take sharing if anyone wants to share. Am I able to see that I am not the sensation? Sensation means whatever information we are getting from the body. So like itching, pain, touch, acidity, digestion, heartbeat, whatever is going on, we are reading it in the form of sensation.
जी भैया, नमस्ते सभी को.
नमस्ते भैया.
Bhaiya, actually, this earlier when I started, I was thinking that how this can be separate. Means I am not the sensation, I am not in the sensation, and I am separate from the sensation. So it took somewhat more time. Means I started from the seventh batch, but slowly now coming to this point of exploration, now it can be easily said. Suppose somebody says me something, means it is, or somebody means abuses, or so whatever be the sensation developed, that sensation, or suppose some pain is there. So while walking, or I came across with a stone, and it is there. But earlier it was seen that it was like a this means dash. Suppose any any scratch is there to my car or the scooter or something, so it was directly felt within. Arey, what has happened? But now it seems that it is to the body. It is not with me. This me is separate. Means self is separate. So due to that development, I am not getting disturbed internally. Whatever is being happening, it is happening, and I am not the sensation. So unless and until it is required, even I am not reading. Right now also, some itching or something is going on, but my fingers and my all this attention is toward the screen, and that's why I'm finding that, or I'm confirming that I am not the sensation. Sensation is separate from me. जी भैया, thank you. Namaste. Namaste सभी को.
जी भैया. So nice भैया.
जी.
So whenever we will focus on any sensation,
जी.
we will be able to see that we are not sensation, and we can take decision.
जी.
So the purpose of exercise is to see that I am not material. I am a consciousness unit,
जी.
and I am not directly wired with the body.
Mhm.
So I am aware that sensation is only information. Now we will decide what to do with the sensation without getting disturbed. Suppose there is pain in body. So I can see it with awareness that I am not this pain. Pain is a sensation, means something happening in the body. So with this awareness that I am not the pain, now we will decide how to handle this pain, what to do for the body. So we can decide what to do without getting disturbed. So with awareness, we will be more caring for the body.
जी.
Otherwise, there is a disturbance in body, then we get disturbed and we start reacting, and this reaction makes me uncomfortable, and also it impacts the body.
जी.
So at least with awareness, I will be in harmony. With awareness, my reaction, my harmony will impact the body in different manner. and then only we need to address the sensation. So with awareness, we will be clear. Otherwise, without awareness, now I need to address myself, I need to address body. Then I also disturb environment also. So with awareness, all these things can be handled easily. So nice way that you are able to see. So with more awareness, unconsciously also, we will be aware that I am not body.
जी, जी.
जी भैया.
Because
Namaste.
as far as this, yeah, as far as I'll take half minute, nature or the environment is concerned, it will be happening now. Now it is rainy season. There will be rains. Why to worry? Means why should be there sensation of what is happening and getting disturbed? It will be there, heat, cold, and but if we are differentiating it, it will do its work, and ourselves will be happy. Thank you, Bhaiya. Namaste.
जी. And if you see news, headings of news.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
heading is Asmani Afat.
Yeah. Asmani Afat. Yeah.
Now we take all these activities as Afat.
Afat. Yeah. Yeah.
So we get precondition that
Cricket.
this is the time of problems
Ji, ji, ji.
and nature is a problem.
Yeah. 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 And we are finding that is it for the struggle for existence like that? But it is
जी.
by way of nature. It is not struggle. It is as per this cycle and all, isn't it?
जी.
Ji.
So activities are going on in nature, in body, in the self. है ना? Some processes are going on. And if we are aware that we are not body, we are not material, then we can evaluate all this process, all these activities without getting disturbed from it. But if I are not aware that I am not material, then we assume something is happening which is disturbing me. So I am unhappy because my body is not working properly. I am unhappy because there is rain outside.
Ji, ji, ji.
I am unhappy because there is a heat outside.
Ji.
So I associate myself with every activity. So with awareness, we can work on all these things. That activities are going on, but I am not bound to be happy or unhappy with all these activities. So this we can achieve with awareness. जी भैया.
Ji, bhaiya. Thank you. Namaste.
जी नमस्ते भैया. नमस्ते. नमस्ते दीदी.
Namaste, Bhaiya. Namaste,
नमस्ते
everyone.
दीदी. जी दीदी.
Yeah, I am facing the same thing which we were working exercise 1, 2, 3 people. We were getting the feeling, and the same thing is happening, like in sensation with regard to yesterday's some Bhaiya's question about the tasting and selection part. Food related. So I have assumed some due to my past experience of 37 years of this thing, uh, that that person does not like my food, whatever I cook, suppose. So this is my assumption. So I have made some arrangement. Like I don't know whether it is due to be harmony in myself. I have changed the timing so that I can eat my food without disturbance, because since I know I uh, assume myself that for these 2, 3 people, I'm not good enough for cooking. So the question is, Bhaiya, is it is it coming from my assumption sanskar that these I have to be away or escape tendency, or is it my program to be with happy with self? That's what I'm uh, managed it, because I am okay with the other people. I can make food. I can, serve them. For example, when I go to my younger daughter, uh, my her husband, I cook for them. But for the other people, I feel hesitant, and I hesitate. I escape. I find the route. I'm not. I can see the opposition in me. So the thing is, Bhaiya, is it the self is making the choice that I can see from the step two. Uh, but the thing is, but it is harmony in a way. So just with the step four, I can understand it is sensation. I am separate from the sensation that you did yesterday. Yesterday, the fourth step has come. But before that, the first three steps, I'm finding myself to be working with assumptions and sanskar, which is coming into my way. So can you just guide me, Bhaiya, on this?
जी दीदी. So question is, 2 or 3 people don't like your food, and that's why you are making some distance, because each time they give some comment or they don't like it, and you are able to assess it with their expression. So that's why you have made some distance.
And I change my timing of food also. I finish it by 6:37 so that I don't
जी.
have to encounter.
Their expression.
Yes.
So you are not eating together. है ना? You have changed your timing of food,
Yes.
either before them or after them.
Yes. Yes, Bhaiya.
जी जी.
And Bhaiya, not for
Hmm.
only I have expressed also, and sorry, one part I've missed. I
Mhm.
expressed also कि I can do all the household like works, but except making the tari sabzi. I can make the suka sabzi and all that. But these, because breakfast, I don't find any difficulty. They have it, so I make that. But lunch and dinner, na, they matlab, I find it, very, it is like, it's just anxiety comes into me. That I've noticed to cook. So generally, I said ki I can do all this because they are good in making. So I said I will chop everything. I will do it. But you just take the tadka part of this, so that I'm escaping. I can see my escapism in that. Yes, Bhaiya.
जी जी. So we need to investigate it, Didi, whether food is the problem or this lack of relationship between me and these two people is the problem. So I am answering just as a possibility, and you need to explore what is real reason.
Yes,
So one
yes.
reason could be the lack of relationship.
Okay.
So
Means,
maybe
Bhaiya?
maybe they have feeling of opposition for you, or they are hurt with some behavior or comment in the past. So they are in feeling of opposition. That's why maybe they give some comment, because they are not able to express their hurt. So that's why they are expressing their aggression or opposition with the food. So maybe directly they are not able to say that they are hurt, but they are expressing it with rejecting the food. This could be one possibility.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Second possibility is that food is not according to their taste, but they can express it. The problem is they are not expressing it
This one,
properly.
Bhaiya, the second one, this one.
Ji.
Tasting and selection is the main thing.
But they can express it. If they are
Yes.
not expressing it,
Uh-huh.
or they are not helping you to get the food improved,
Uh-huh.
so it means problem is in relationship.
Okay.
They are not feeling free to say, to express themselves before you, or they
Mm-hmm.
are people who are introvert kind. They are in a position, they have inner reaction, but they do not express.
No, Bhaiya. They're
Uh,
extrovert. That I
so
can
they
say.
are extrovert, if this is right. So option is they have some feeling of opposition, or maybe they have expressed 2 or 3 times, but food is not improved. So now they have assumed that food will be made like this. We have to adjust with this.
Okay.
You know.
But yeah, it is only with 2, 3 people. Others are having it.
Ji?
Others have no issue. Or in fact, they like it. They ask me to make it again and again.
So then problem is with you,
Uh,
with your feeling.
okay.
If they are asking, they are expressing what they like, what they don't like, and they are also appreciating food. They are also
Others.
expressing others. Others
Huh.
are also expressing that
Yeah.
this time food is good, this time food was not good. But somehow you are
I'm
not
not
able to
taking it.
adjust their comment.
Okay.
So maybe they made some comment in the past and you felt hurt, and this hurt is lying within you.
Acha. Okay.
So that's why whenever you see their faces, you become doubtful whether they are liking or not liking, whether they will appreciate or not appreciate, or they with their expression you are calculating something in your mind. So you are not open to express your feelings or your thoughts properly.
Acha.
So
So, Bhaiya,
that is creating distance.
okay. So, day before yesterday, Bhaiya, I made the aware, like, ध्यान आकर्षित करना बोलते हैं जो उसमें I just said कि I'll do the rest of the things except this. Is it okay? Because this makes me anxiety in me. So, Bhaiya, then I think it worked for me. Like I could convey the other person also, best also because they know me. So when I conveyed, they also were understanding that I'm not doing it intentionally or purposely, but this is how I'm making. I think, Bhaiya, the thing must have happened 15 years back. I have done some course that was natural lifestyle and minimalistic oil using and all that. Because of that, also the taste part has gone down for them. So I make it separate for me and I make according to their taste. So I'm not compromising. I'm not asking the other person to follow me. That way also I'm taking care. But still, Bhaiya, I think the second part is there, the tasting and selection part, which is in them. I'm not able to fulfill that part. And they also understand. And then they are made their, they cooked themselves. And matlab, there was harmony. I could see for 2, 3 days. So I made this clear or programmed. So it is working. Like, you know, I don't know whether this is a natural acceptance which has come, or have I done it, for this temporary thing? I just have to observe myself again. That's what I'm
जी.
saying.
So
Bhaiya.
this is one program, Didi, है ना? With mutual
Yeah.
understanding.
Yes.
So I am assured of their intention. They are assured
Ah,
of my intention. The problem is only in competence.
okay. Yes, Bhaiya.
So this is a program which is made with mutual understanding. So now they are able to assess that intensely you want to make them happy, but food that is tasty for them, है ना, you are not able to make that. So they are making a mutual program with you. So no problem in this program, Didi. If
Okay. Okay.
we both are feeling comfortable, na,
Uh-huh.
you are expressing your feeling, they are expressing their feelings. So program can be made. So this could be one program.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Important is we are feeling togetherness.
Yes, Bhaiya. That
This
I
is
can.
important.
Yes.
जी.
Because
And
I'm
you
not.
express your feeling, है ना, each time.
Okay. Yes.
So for example, you can say that whenever I make food, and you don't like it, I feel uncomfortable.
Yes,
हाँ,
that's what I conveyed, Bhaiya. I
जी
said,
जी
yes, it's if you can do it, because I don't empty stomach, you be empty stomach. So I conveyed this, Bhaiya, ki it is not necessary to, have my food. It is better you also have your food.
So both
Okay.
can help each other in
Yes.
preparation of food.
Yes.
So that is okay, Didi. This is mutual program.
हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है भैया, यही पूछना था कि
जी
मैं आई एम ऑन द राइट ट्रैक और नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग द अदर पर्सन टू, I am giving that space also, and
जी
according to that only I made that program, and I could convey it
हम्म,
to the people.
जी
That,
जी
yes भैया, thank you so much भैया. That's-
ओके दीदी. ओके.
नमस्ते भैया.
नमस्ते दीदी. जी. So we can take one more sharing on this assignment. So awareness is important. So with awareness, we can see that the self is a consciousness unit, body is a material unit. Activities are going on in the self, activities are going on in the body, activities are going on in rest of the nature also. But I have potential to see all these activities without getting disturbed from it, because I am not material. I am a consciousness unit. So I can be affected from my activities of imagination. I can be unaffected from the activities of the body. So it is important exercise. And in step 4, we are asking more deeper question. Am I sensation? Am I in the sensation? Am I separate from the sensation? So this is more deeper question. So whenever our focus is on body, whenever we are reading sensation, we can ask, am I the sensation? Am I in the sensation? Or there is a separation between me and the sensation? So this step will give impression that we have choice whether to read this sensation, to be with that sensation, or to move away from the sensation. And ultimately, we need to exercise the choices that we have. So we are not bound with the body. We have choices whether to interact with the body or not interact with the body. whether to give instruction to the body or not give instruction to the body. So we have these choices as a consciousness unit. So the more we are aware of our choices, the more we will feel free from material. Namaste, Didi.
Namaste, भैया.
जी.
भैया, when I tried to do this exercise second, and these questions, are you the sensation? Are you in the sensation, or are you separate from the sensation? So I feel like I am the sensation when I have some pain in my body. I feel like I am the pain. Means I am that much indulged. I'm that much attached with the pain I have in my body. And whenever I want to eat something, I am craving to eat something. I feel like I am inside that thing, whatever I want to eat. So whenever I ask this question to myself, means when I am craving something and I ask this question, means I am the sensation or I am inside the sensation. So previously I used to ignore this question and I used to eat whatever I want to eat. But now when I strongly ask myself that I am this sensation or I am inside this sensation or I am separate from the sensation. So uh, means a kind of fear I have, Bhaiya, that I won't be able to enjoy that thing because of because I'm asking this question to myself. Means I I can't explore myself more because of that fear that I won't be able to enjoy that sensation if I ask myself that means if I strongly tell myself I am not the sensation, I am separate from the sensation, because somewhere I'm able to see that I'm separate from the sensation, but that sensation is giving me happiness, that temporary happiness. So I don't want that temporary happiness to go away. So because of that fear, I don't I can't means I'm not able to explore myself more. So please guide me on this, Priya.
जी दीदी. So very honest sharing. So many people have fear that they will lose their happiness if they are able to see that they are not the body. So many people have this fear, and due to this fear, we are indulged with the happiness that we are getting from sensation. Ji. So let's unfold it one by one. So starting from your first sentence. So when there is a pain, I am the pain. This impression you have. So we can rectify it. There is a pain in the body, and I am reading this pain. And while reading, I have concern of the body. That's why I am uncomfortable. So I am uncomfortable because of the concern towards body, not because of the pain. Because my natural acceptance is to keep my body healthy. But somehow body is not healthy. That concern is making me uncomfortable. So pain is not making me uncomfortable. That concern is making me uncomfortable. So this we need to unfold. What is really cause of unhappiness of me? So pain is there. This is one part. I am reading it. This is second part. Now it is not according to my natural acceptance, because my natural acceptance is a healthy body. So because it is not according to my natural acceptance, that's why I am disturbed inside. So pain in the body, this is one part. I am disturbed inside, this is another part.
जी भैया
Is it okay, Didi, or not?
जी भैया in means in like small like if I don't have big injury, very little pain is there, that time I am able to observe this. But when that pain increase, that time I'm not able to observe.
No problem, Didi. Let's start with a small pain, a small amount of pain. But can we see it
But
or not?
when yeah means I am able to see when I have small amount of itching or some kind of pain like headache. When I keep observing that headache, I feel that this headache is different from me. I am different. So we both are separate. I am able to see that.
Ji.
But in case of food or something, now my happiness is very much attached to that. Pain
That
is
I am coming. I am coming to that point, Didi. है ना? I
first
am
point.
coming to that point. Ji. So headache is different. I am different. है ना? So we can say it more precisely. Headache is in the body. Disturbance is in me.
Right.
है ना? So disturbance is in me, disharmony in me, making myself uncomfortable. Disturbance in body, disharmony in body, creating pain in the body. Right. So these two things are happening in two units. So some
Right.
activities are happening in the body, and due to that, some activities are happening in me. So whatever happening in me is making me uncomfortable. It is not that every time when there is a pain, I will feel uncomfortable. It is not like that. Many
Right.
times you will see, for example, when our tooth, you see when our tooth is loosed, many people shake it and it creates pain, but they enjoy it.
जी भैया.
So in every pain I will be unhappy. This is not any direct connection. It is our assumption. So first is there are two units, and some activities are happening in body, some activities are happening in me. I become uncomfortable whenever there is disharmony in me. So pain is not cause of my unhappiness. My discomfort, my fear, my contradictory state is cause of my unhappiness. This is one part. Right. Second part is regarding this sensual pleasure, food sensation.
जी.
So as you said, that generally we have fear that we will lose temporary happiness. So what I would say here, if we are aware that I am not sensation, then I can enjoy this taste with awareness. In unawareness, we are not able to enjoy the taste also properly. And we disturb our body in this process. For example, rasgulla. So when there is a touch of rasgulla in tongue, and I am aware, with awareness I can see that I am not this taste, but that taste I can feel. So what will happen? I will decide one rasgulla is enough for body. Otherwise, in craving of the taste, we will take another, then another, and it will disturb harmony of the body.
Right. Yeah.
So with awareness, we can enjoy the taste and we can decide the quantity also, how much quantity is required. So we will be aware, now the stomach is full. Now we need to stop. Need of body is okay. If we are not aware, then this taste become pain. in long term. So in short term, we are eating Golgappa 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
Next day, we again reach to that Golgappa shop. We are taking it. And while taking it, we are indulged in our thoughts.
Yeah. Even while taking it, I am thinking about the next time when I will have it. Because of that, I'm not able to enjoy now also.
Ji, ji. So we are taking it and we are thinking of so many things. We are not aware of this taste also. So we are talking to each other while taking Golgappa. So we are not enjoying its taste also because we are busy. The self is busy in 10 more things. So with awareness, we can enjoy that taste with a small quantity also. But
Hmm.
because we are not aware, so we increase the quantity. And whenever we increase the quantity, the self is busy in 100 things. So we are not eating that rasgulla or golgappa or what is with awareness. That's why our taste is not fulfilled. We feel craving,
Hmm.
right? Another part is with this exercise, with awareness, we can see that whatever taste I have taken, it will not sustain for a long time.
Hmm.
It is temporary in nature. And we need continuous happiness. So what will be the source of continuous fulfillment? So this Golgappa taste is temporary in nature. I am aware. So I am aware it will sustain for 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 5 minutes. This is the limit of this body and this Golgappa because both are material. Now I will search what can make me fulfillment for a long time. So when we are aware and we are aware of the self that we exercised in exercise 1. So a state of pure observer gives me continuous happiness. I can feel fulfilled there for all the time. And this continuous fulfillment is my innate desire. So it doesn't mean that I will lose all the material that is outside. Now I will be aware how much to use. What is the limitation of this material? So I will be aware of that. So I will not be trapped into sensual pleasure. So like food. So I will
Hmm.
make tasty food and healthy food because I am fulfilled within. Now I will prepare tasty and healthy food. And I know this food will not be for a long time in the body. After some process, it will be gone. And also the taste of the food, it will not sustain for a long time. So with awareness, we can be aware of temporary as a temporary and continuous as a continuous. So when food is not there, I am also feeling fulfilled because I am in
Hmm.
a state of pure observer. When there is a need to take food, I will prepare the food. So
Right.
we will not be having any fear. In fact, we can eat food with awareness.
Hmm.
So that will happen with awareness. So with awareness, we will not be trapped. With awareness, we will be able to decide how much quantity is required. So that will happen. So you will be enjoying more every moment. So this could happen when we see ourselves as at a distance from the sensation. जी दीदी.
Ji, Yeah, it's very important to see that it will not give me permanent happiness. So, in the hope of permanent happiness or infinite happiness, I keep eating that food again and again because I want infinite happiness. I want because of that I decide the quantity of food and I keep eating it. So this is very important line. Yeah.
Ji. And we are trying to keep it continuous and we are damaging the body.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
And when there is a
And
damage in body, we are again in fear.
hmm. And body is also temporary. We need to accept this also.
Ji.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
So I am continuous.
Yeah, I am continuous. Right. Ji, Bhaiya, I'll try to explore on this.
Ji, Didi.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Ji. Okay, Didi. Namaste.
Namaste, Bhaiya.
So before coming to, let's take 5-minute observation. So we will observe the body, the self. So observe as it is, what is happening. So if we are focusing on the body, there is itching, don't react into it. Just observe, just read the sensation. So while observing, we will see step 1 to 4. So whenever you are reading any sensation, just ask, am I this sensation? Am I in this sensation? Or am I separate from the sensation? So let's do it for 5 minutes. Then we will come back to. Namaste again. So let's take one sharing from. Namaste भैया.
नमस्ते भैया, नमस्ते सभी को। अच्छा चल रहे हैं भैया। भैया एक क्वेश्चन ये हो रहा था, लास्ट डिस्कशन जो दीदी ने शेयर कर रहे थे दीदी। भैया ये इट्स नेचर, इज इट इनेट नेचर और बिहेवियरल थिंग भैया? इंट्रोवर्ट नेचर, इज इट हेरिडिटरी और इट इज डेवलप्ड बाय our practice? Can it be reversible with the right understanding and right feeling? Can it be reversed introvert nature?
Okay, मतलब means you are asking, can we extrovert
Yeah,
if I am introvert?
yeah, with the right understanding, right feeling, or through practice.
जी.
I suppose it is not hereditary.
जी. So see, introvert means I am looking for something.
Unable to open up.
Unable to open means it is unable to open means one point is that I am searching something inside. One option is that if I am introvert, so one option is I am searching for something inside me. So to see our innate nature, to be in a state of pure observer, we need to be introvert. So introvert means I am looking inside me. So if I am moving towards this state of pure observer, then being introvert is okay. But I am trapped somewhere in my imagination. Neither I am moving outside, nor I am moving towards the state of pure observer or towards the higher activities. Then it may be a problem. Right? So if we are moving inside from imagination to the state of pure observer, so once I am in the state of pure observer, then I can see relationship with everyone. Then I will express myself outside.
Okay.
So
yes.
I will express myself outside as and when required. So introvert journey is okay if we are moving towards a state of pure observer. And what will be the natural outcome of this state of pure observer? I will be able to see relationship with everyone, and I will start expressing myself. I will start participating outside. So we will be able to see participation in larger order. So with the state of pure observer, I will be expressing my understanding outside also.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So if you
Because
see
why am I-
this, if you see this morning exercise 1. So we are going inwards.
Yes.
Now with exercise 2, we are going outwards. Now we are seeing body. And if you see other courses of UHV, UHV 4, UHV 5, UHV 6, now we are going outside.
Mm.
How to express in relationship, what will the vision for human society, what will be social science. Now we are expanding ourselves outside. So inside to outside, this is okay. But inside I am stuck somewhere in my imagination, in my feeling, in my preconditioning, then it is a problem. So we can discuss this issue here tomorrow. This is morning session, Hindi time session. So you make yourself available at 5:30.
Yes,
So we
yes,
can
yes.
discuss it, this introvert and extrovert. This is important
Yeah,
and
because
interesting.
it is the problem of my daughter. She is 17 plus.
Ji, ji, ji.
Every time telling I'm introvert. No, I'm telling not introvert because she don't know still these are following or observing things.
Ji, ji.
That's why.
So we can discuss it tomorrow. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So namaste everyone. Thank you for participation. Namaste Sunil Bhaiya.
Ji Bhaiya, namaste. So thank you, Gopal Bhaiya, for this enriching discussion today. Thank you, all the participants, for your active participation with questions and sharing in the English morning session.